Hi guys, welcome to Joanne Folk Kitchen where it's simple, just enjoy food. Today I'll be showing you how I like to peel my pineapple, which is actually my favorite fruit. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So I have my pineapple here that's already washed, and I just took my dish soap along with my sponge, gave that a quick little scrub and rinse that off. I like to start out by cutting both ends off. And you want to make sure that your knife is very sharp. After cutting off the ends, you want to set it down on the base and just rest your hand in the center and start peeling from the top down. And you just go around the pineapple until you have removed all the skin. Now, after removing all your skin, you want to line up the eyes diagonally like how they run, and then you make incisions in the pattern just like how you see them here, and remove them. Now, this may look a bit tedious, but I assure you it's not as hard as it looks, and it doesn't really take that long, especially with practice. So I'm going to remove the eyes. I'm going to just get a grip on the pineapple. And then I go around the entire pineapple until all my eyes have been removed. So now that I've already removed my eyes, you don't have to throw away these. You can use it along with the skin, and it makes a very nice refreshing pineapple drink, or you can use it to make stock. And you can already tell that this pineapple is delicious. Guys, look at all that juice and look how nice and golden it is. Alright, so after removing all that you don't need, you can slice it however you like. I like to slice mine in discs like this. You could cut it in half before if you'd like, but as I said, I just like to slice mine like this. And depending on how big it is, you can cut the skin too, or you can just enjoy it by itself like that. So all right, and that is how I peel my pineapple, guys. Of course there are other ways in which you can do this, but this is how I typically like to do mine. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.